When you're traveling, it's very important to make the most out of all your space. The best way I found to do this is use a Rooftop Cargo bag. The first bag we're going to take a look at is from Mitaboa with a 25 cubic feet capacity. After all, the whole point in buying a bag like this is to get the right one for you, and it makes absolutely no sense to buy one that's either too small, too big, or not made of good quality. The overall measurements of this bag is 57 inches by 43 by 18 and weighs 10 pounds. The Mitaboa bag was designed and put together very well with double stitching and flaps to cover the zippers so no waters can seep in. The Mitaboa bag costs $116, and to grab yours, just head on over to Amazon using the affiliate link below. I'll be doing another video coming up where I pack this bag to show you just how much it can hold. So if this is something that you're interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button now. The second bag we're going to take a look at is from Hey Trip with 15 cubic feet capacity. Comes with a tight seal that is waterproof with a 3-inch zipper cover, non-slip bottom, and reflective strips. It also comes with a lock to make it easier for you to secure your things. Now I'll also be doing a video showing the packing of this bag as well. And the bag costs $69 on Amazon, and I've also put an affiliate link below. On my trip out west last summer, we used the Hey Trip bag, and it did a good job. It kept things dry and was easy to install. The only complaint that I had was the amount of space. The storage was just not big enough for all of our needs. And I would highly suggest this bag if you have limited space or funds. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and until next time, keep rolling.